Hey everyone, just wanted to go over how to actually get more viewers to your TikTok shop live streams. And so I've been live streaming for about 3 months now, and I'd say on average I make just around like 2 grand per month, which isn't a lot compared to what you've seen probably from like the influencers on social media who are making like thousands and thousands, some 20, 30, 40,000. But one thing I've realized when it comes to making or getting more viewers to your live stream is that it really comes down to product selection. And so I'll explain some scenarios that I've run through that's allowed me to get more viewers during my live stream. But essentially, product selection is key. You want to choose a product that's currently viral on TikTok, that's getting a lot of sales, and that other people are live streaming as well. So I found that my most successful videos have been products that have like over 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 sold already on TikTok shop. So those have worked well for me. Products in which I've tried to go live streaming with where it's only like 100 sold or less than 1,000 sold or like between 1,000 and 5,000 sales really haven't worked that well. But again, it works really well if the product that you're live streaming is being live streamed by others and it's already been sold on TikTok shop a lot of times already. So when you actually go live with the product, sometimes you'll receive an influx of viewers within the first 30 minutes or so. But I've realized that the longer you go live, the more viewers that you'll tend to get on average. So you also got to be consistent. One thing I've realized is like if I go live today and I get like 10 viewers on average, tomorrow I'll get like 50 viewers on average. It kind of like accumulates upon itself, in which if you consistently keep going live, you will get more viewers. But I'd say the primary factor that affects everything is product selection. Okay, so you want to make sure that you select a good product when it comes to TikTok shop. So product selection is key. Find a product that people will have to ask questions about. Find a product which will keep people staying on for longer. So examples were, let's say there's like a lint remover currently going viral right now. And so once you turn on the lint remover, that humming or buzzing noise basically engages people to kind of wonder, okay, what is this? So product selection is very key. I'd say put a lot of time and attention towards product selection. And if you don't get any viewers or sales after 45 minutes with a certain product, just switch products. I'd say 45 minutes is a good marker to kind of test the product out. And so going live stream is about A/B split testing. And so you want to make sure that you try a variety of different products. I've gone live with products where I'll instantly receive like 100 viewers on average right off the bat. And then I've gone live with products where sometimes I'll receive only like 5 viewers right off the bat. So test it out. It most certainly will work for you. You just need to kind of find your product that's right for you.